Let's see what the question says. Given an integer array A of size n, you have to pick exactly b elements from either left or right end of the array A to get maximum sum. Find and return this maximum possible sum. Let's understand it with examples. For the first test case, the output is 8. That is, if we pick one element from left end and two elements from right end, then sum becomes 5 plus 2 plus 1, which makes it 8. Similarly, in second test case, we can only pick one element from right end, which makes the sum equal to 2. Take 5 minutes and think how you can solve it. Meanwhile, I check what's cringe videos going viral on Insta Reels. Let's see the first approach, which most of you and my friend also thought of it. My friend said that she will take two pointers I and j and a sum variable equal to 0. I will point the first index 0 and j will point last index n minus 1. Then she will run a for loop till integer b and check if a of I is greater than a of j. Then she will add a of I to sum and increase I by plus. Else if a of j is greater, then she will add a of j and decrement j by 1. For this test case, this approach seems to work fine. But when she submitted the code, she got wrong answer and she got demotivated. Let's take this example and understand why she was wrong. For iteration 1, a of I will be greater, so sum will become 5 and I will be incremented to index 1. For iteration 2, a of j will be greater, then sum will become 5 plus 2 equals to 7 and j moves to index 4. For iteration 3, again a of j will be greater, then sum will become 8. Since b is equal to 3, so for loop will be finished and we get our answer as 8. But correct answer for this test case is 23, that is, if we take all three elements from left end. 5 minus 2 plus 30, which makes it 23. Let's understand the best solution for this question. Our first step will be to take sum of b elements from left end. Now we have to just find the maximum sum we can get from replacing the last index of this window by the last index of right end of the array. For this, take two pointers L pointing to b minus 1 index and R pointing to last index of the array and a temp variable equal to sum. Now run a while loop and find sums by replacing the elements and take maximum of all. Let's dry run over that same test case. For this test case, sum after taking b elements will be 23 and L will be pointing to index 2 and R will be pointing to index 5 and our temp variable will be equal to 23. For iteration 1, first we will add the last element of the right end, that is a of R, which results in temp equal to 25, and we will subtract the last index of window, that is a of L, which results in temp equal to 5, and sum will remain as 23, since 23 is greater than 5. For iteration 2, a of R will be added and a of L will be subtracted, which gives temp equal to 8, and the sum variable will again remain 23. For iteration 3, the temp will be 6 and sum will remain as 23. Since L becomes 0 and hence while loop will end and our final answer we get is 23.